Crystals are beautiful gifts from the earth. They come in many colors and shapes, each with its own unique properties and energies. For centuries, people have used crystals for various purposes, from healing to spiritual practices. Crystals can help us heal by aligning our energy fields and promoting physical well-being. They can also bring peace and balance to our lives, creating a sense of harmony within our surroundings. Crystals are powerful tools for channeling positive energy, and they can assist in emotional healing by helping us release negative emotions and fostering a sense of calm. Additionally, crystals can enhance our mental clarity and spiritual growth, guiding us on our personal journeys. Many people feel calmer and more centered when they are around crystals, as these natural wonders have the ability to transform our energy and elevate our spirits. Whether used in meditation, placed in our living spaces, or carried with us throughout the day, crystals offer a profound connection to the Earth's natural healing power. Crystals have energy that vibrates. This energy is subtle but powerful. It works with the energy of our bodies. We can use crystals to shift our energy. Each crystal has a unique vibration. This is why each crystal has different effects. Some crystals bring peace, others boost creativity. Choosing a crystal is a personal journey. Trust your intuition. What crystal are you drawn to? Its color and shape can guide you. Think about what you need. Do you need peace, love, or energy? Research crystals that match your needs. You can find the perfect crystal for you. Section 4. Amethyst, Rose Quartz, Citrine. Exploring their benefits. Amethyst is a stunning purple crystal, often admired for its deep, rich hues. It is renowned for its calming energy, which can create a serene atmosphere in any space. Amethyst is particularly beneficial for those who struggle with sleep. Placing it on a bedside table can promote restful nights. Additionally, it is known to reduce stress and anxiety, making it a perfect companion for meditation and relaxation practices. Rose quartz, with its gentle pink color, is often referred to as the stone of love and compassion. This beautiful crystal is believed to open the heart chakra, fostering a sense of unconditional love and emotional healing. Holding rose quartz close to your heart can help heal emotional wounds and traumas. It is also known to improve relationships by encouraging forgiveness and understanding, making it a wonderful gift for loved ones. Citrine, with its vibrant yellow color, is often called the success stone. This crystal is associated with abundance and prosperity, making it a popular choice for those seeking to attract wealth and success. Placing citrine on a work desk can enhance productivity and creativity, providing a boost of positive energy. It is also known to bring joy and enthusiasm, making it a great addition to any meditation practice. Whether you are looking to improve your emotional well-being, attract success, or simply add a touch of beauty to your space, these crystals offer a range of benefits that can enhance your life in many ways. Section 5. Cleansing and energizing your crystals. Crystals absorb energy around them, both positive and negative. Over time, this energy can build up and affect their effectiveness. That's why it's important to regularly cleanse your crystals. You can cleanse them with running water, which washes away any unwanted energies. Alternatively, sunlight is a powerful cleanser, revitalizing the crystals with its vibrant energy. Charging your crystals is equally important, as it replenishes their energy. One of the most effective ways to charge your crystals is by leaving them under the moonlight, especially during a full moon. The moon's energy is gentle yet potent, perfect for recharging. Another method is to bury them in the earth overnight, allowing them to reconnect with the natural energies of the planet. Crystals are powerful tools for healing, meditation, and personal growth. They can help balance your energy, enhance your intentions, and support your spiritual journey. Enjoy the process of exploring their energy and discovering the unique benefits each crystal offers. Remember, the more you work with your crystals, the more attuned you will become to their vibrations and the more effective they will be in your life.